Hello YouTube, I just wanted to touch base and tell you about an instance that happened with my Tundra about a month ago. Watch the video and you can see I ended up having an issue where the trail lights ended up getting wet and grounding out, causing every light on my dash to go off. But so far that's been the only issue that's affected the Tundra so far since I bought it. Watch it and tell me what you think.
I'm known for eating little whiny chumps like you. All up in my face with that. But halitosis is all you're rocking steady. You lit the fairy, smelling on your flowers. Nappy hairy chest, look, it's Austin Powers. I hear you tooting on them bagpipes, Clyde. But you said it best, there's no place to hide. What the fuck you saying? You're a big black.
Yeah, but anyways, as you can see, it didn't affect the functionality. It still did what it needed to do. But I just wanted to show y'all this so that you know that it will happen. I guess it's with all the electronics or something. I guess with the plug being wet, it caused it to short out or something. But it's the only issue I've had with the truck since I've had it. So I mean, I think Tundra is a pretty good truck.